you guys with?
I watch your guys' videos all the time.
What is your deal?
What are you gonna like put your hands on me? No, stop. Oh, thank you.
Today we're in downtown Flagstaff, Arizona. Let's check it out.
Hey. Thank you, man. I had to see if my flash was working, you know?
Oh, sure.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Right on.
Do inside when I'm not out here. I'm downtown all day.
How you doing, guys?
Now downtown.
48 years, huh?
How you doing?
How we doing, boss?
Let's go.
It's a good shot. How
Who
you
you
doing
guys
today?
with?
Sorry?
Who you with?
No, just us.
Oh,
See how you're crazy about the visual? I was a deadhead. I was crazy about the audio.
I got you, man. All right, you got
Nice.
some bootlegs at home?
Yeah, I have a lot of them. Well, today they're everywhere. But
Yeah.
in the old days, we had them on hard copies like DAT. I still have like 200 shows on digital audio tape. It's called DAT.
You playing with it?
Yeah, I play Latin percussion.
Oh, there you go. Right on. That's
Nice.
cool.
Musician.
That's cool.
And then my son plays 4 different instruments. He teaches music at Arizona Music Pro.
And you live here in Flagstaff?
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
Very cool.
I got a studio at my house.
Do you have anything online? Any social media?
Well,
anywhere anybody can
actually,
listen to?
I shared a video this morning, and let me give you my card. So DOS Singley on Facebook, and you'll see.
You got some of your drumming on there?
Yeah, today
Right on,
I
cool.
made a video
Nice.
this
Awesome.
morning.
I look forward to checking it out, man.
That's like.
hey, I'm
Yes,
the
sir.
owner of the business.
Okay.
Who you guys with? That's a cute answer. You're with yourselves, but you're taking.
No, I didn't. I wasn't trying to be good with it. It's just us. I'm not with anybody.
Who's us?
Me and my son.
With the tripods, like I was like, whoa.
Monopods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I just.
No, it's just us. We make videos for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
So we're going around town, getting some shots of some businesses. And
Cool.
Seeing what's good.
My name's Nikki. I just
Nicky,
wasn't
nice to
sure.
meet you,
I just
man.
like to know.
No, right on.
Who's taking some videos? Nice
to meet you.
It's good.
No,
yeah.
I wasn't trying to be funny with you. I don't work for anybody. We just do it on our own. And,
You're more welcome to come in. I don't know if you want to, whatever you're doing, but
right on. Well, that's cool.
just
Yeah.
my
Thanks.
guy. Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind just taking a look real quick, that'd be great. Thank you. It's a nice shop you have here. How you doing?
And we just opened. Everything's remodeled.
I just can't have you film the customers. The customer, that's all.
Okay, no problem. Hey, it's your shop, man. I appreciate you inviting us in. Needed a little freshening up.
Now it looks period time.
Right on. Yeah, no, it looks good. Well, I appreciate you having us in, man. Thank you. Have a good
Thanks,
day.
man.
See you, gentlemen.
Have a good one.
Thank you, buddy. Sorry?
You're Jason.
I am Jason.
I've always wanted to see you guys.
Oh, right on. No, I appreciate
I
you.
watch
What's
your
your
guys-
first name?
Marissa.
Marissa, so nice to
I
meet you.
watch your guys' videos all the time.
That's so cool.
Let's go.
Right on. I
have you had anybody be like, don't put
We
me on
just got
camera?
here 5 minutes ago.
Oh,
Yep.
well, I hope I can see somebody do that.
Right on. All right, well, life as it happens. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Some people want to be filmed.
Yeah,
Believe it or not.
like me.
You want to be filmed, I can tell. It's the friendly FedEx guy. How you doing, bud? Right on, man. Well, keep having a good day. Keep laughing. Keep smiling. Thank you very much. I appreciate
Have a good one.
it. See you guys. Right on.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you, man?
Pretty good, man.
All right.
Nice day.
It is.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's like summertime already.
Yeah. I
Crazy.
was just saying, this is like the warmest 66 degrees I've ever felt in my life, man. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, Dawson.
Hey, it's our old friend DOS. Hey, are you doing this place too?
Yeah.
Right on.
Hey, this place got me started in this business.
Did they?
Used to be a Native American jewelry store. He put the idea in my head. I was asking him for work.
Oh, there you go.
He said, why don't you wash windows? And they only cost $10 to get into this business.
Yeah, man.
What's up, man? I don't know if you're in it. I saw you in La Jolla at the tattoo shop.
Oh, okay, right on.
We have a tattoo shop right down the street.
Okay.
We're doing a big Friday the 13th event. There's a line around the corner.
Right on.
If
Is it
you're
your
interested-
shop?
It's my brother's shop.
Oh, right on. Cool.
Cool.
Come down and check you out. Yeah.
So there's a sticker. in the
Awesome. I
card.
appreciate that. Cool. Very cool, man.
Thanks,
Good
man.
luck, guys. Cheers. Thanks.
Have a good one.
You're gonna be the man of the day.
I think I'm really everywhere you set up. Hey, good to see you there. They're gonna go. This town really takes pride in the winters. Hey, I moved to San Diego and nobody took pride in their winters.
Hey, man. Since you're wrapping up for the day, you only got one more. Here's a business card. You can find me.
Oh, good.
Wait a couple days. You can check out the video.
Oh, I like that.
Appreciate you, man.
There you go.
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Vegan sushi. How does that work?
That's exactly what I was gonna say. Vegan sushi. How does that work?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Is it your place?
Yes.
Oh, very cool.
Cool.
And may I ask?
Well, I'm not going to bite you. You can ask.
No, I just have a question. Yeah.
No, right on.
Okay.
We're very friendly guys.
Oh, where you guys from?
Where are we from?
Yeah.
New York.
Oh, okay. You come and just take a picture?
We're doing a little video about the town.
Oh, okay.
We do a show on YouTube. Yeah, I'll give you a card.
Okay.
Hey, you know, it's funny. I was going to ask. I mean, I was wondering. Vegetarian sushi.
Yeah, we
How
do.
does that work?
You know, because we do. Because we do a vegan sushi.
Okay.
So this one used to be a vegan, and then the owner is retired, and then I just bought the business from them.
I got you.
So my background, I do a sushi chef. You know, I'm working in a sushi restaurant, and so that's why I want to keep this as a vegan.
And so you can keep the old customers.
Old
happy.
customer, but now I'm Thailand. I'm from Thailand.
Okay.
I do Thai food.
Okay.
So that's
Cool.
why I combine the two concepts together, between a Thai street food and a vegan sushi.
That's so. For example, just like one piece of sushi, vegan. How does it like? What's on it? Rice.
You know, we do rice. You know, instead of the like the crab meat, I do a jackfruit. You know, I do.
Jackfruit,
You know,
okay.
it's all pan based. You know, we use a king oyster mushroom. We use
Gotcha.
a jackfruit salad. We make it our own. The spicy mayo vegan.
And do you try to use like the jackfruit because it looks like?
You know,
fish,
it's a
like you try to-
jackfruit, you know, because it looks like a crab meat and it's a protein too, you know,
Gotcha,
so
okay.
that's why we combine all of that, and then we use tofu in there too,
Okay.
and then we use like sweet tofu, and then we use we combine like avocado, cucumber in there, and then we use bell pepper.
A lot of vegetables.
A lot of all vegetable. We use bell pepper as a substitute for tuna.
Well, I really appreciate the explanation.
Yeah.
Can anybody find you on Instagram or just a
Because
website?
this is our third day opening.
Third day. Well,
Really?
welcome to the neighborhood. I'm not from here, but
we just opened it, so that's why we're very new in town. So
Okay.
people is kind of like, are you vegan or not vegan? But we expand ourselves. That's just we do, you know, because we are separate our kitchen in two sides. One is a sushi vegan, so people can like vegan people that you know is not cost combination
Sure,
with the meat.
sure.
So
Very
another side,
important.
another side is half meat. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So-
Well, I'm going to tell you this woman is wonderful. Please support her business. She's been here for 3 days. You have a phone number?
Yeah.
Anybody can contact you?
Here is a phone number. Here is a 928-774-3050.
And what was your first name?
My name is Apple.
Apple. I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Very
Thank
nice
you
to
so
meet
much.
you.
for-
Ben,
And I hope
nice
you
to
have
meet
a
you.
lot of luck, a lot of success. and I
Thank
hope you get
you.
a lot of
Thank
business.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful
You
day.
too.
Hey, are you guys just filming stuff in Flagstaff?
Yes.
Just for fun? I have a really awesome concert tonight. If you guys want to come film it, you're welcome to a free concert.
Okay. Where is it?
It's right across the tracks at Northern Arizona Yoga Center
Okay.
at 7:30.
Okay.
On
What
me,
kind of music?
Kirtan music, call and response mantra chanting. So it's like a participatory type of thing.
Okay.
So I'm going to be leading it. I'm going to be chanting in Sanskrit. It's a language that comes from India. And then they're call and response with it.
Okay. I mean, I can't say yes or no.
I just want to throw it out
Yeah,
there.
no, I appreciate that. But depending on how the day goes,
Yeah.
if we're in the area, I'll stop by and say
Cool.
hello. What was your first name?
Alec.
Alec, Jason.
Jason,
I
nice to
appreciate
meet
it.
you.
Yep.
We start at 7:30.
Okay.
Northern Arizona Yoga Center, just right across the
You
tracks.
guys have a Insta or anything you want to shout out while you're
Yeah, All Waves and Forever. That's
All
my
waves
artist name.
and forever, right on.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very cool. I appreciate you.
Groovy.
man.
Yeah, see you
Thank
guys.
you.
Thanks,
Have a good day.
Can I ask what you guys are filming for?
Yeah,
Can I ask what you guys are filming for?
we're making a video about Flagstaff downtown.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.
Thanks.
Clark? What are you up to? What am I up to? Yeah. Enjoying a beautiful day. Making a video. What are you making a video for? What am I making a video for? Yeah, we're making a video. Oh, how you doing? What are you making the video? We don't really know each other well enough.
What is your deal?
What are you gonna like put your hands on me?
No, bro. I'm just trying to ask you a question.
Go do
Stop
yourself. All right, look, I'm gonna stand still.
How
I'm
are
not
you
backing up.
hostile this quickly, bro? How you been out here for 2 minutes?
Because
You're
you
already getting
because you
defiant
get my
with people?
face.
You're fucking retarded, bro.
Oh yeah.
Are you guys?
You guys
doing-
have angry customers.
I'm the general manager.
Cool. How are you? My name's Jason.
You guys angry in there too? Are you guys
Was
doing
it-
like?
did it
My name's
leave?
Gracie. I don't know. He's like kind of throwing. Our head of HR's in there too, though. You know, though. So it's like.
Oh, I thought he was like on your side or something. Thinking he was helping you out. I
No,
don't know
like
what it is.
I think he was thinking he was helping us out. I don't think he's.
Well, so what we're doing is we travel around the country. This is my son.
Okay.
We
Ben.
make videos, about downtown areas and put them on YouTube.
Yeah, because he came in all angry, and I was like, I'm just gonna go talk to them again. And I was like, he was like, they're getting angry at me, and I was like, I'm
No,
gonna go get
well,
angry at me.
he walked up and like literally got so close to me, I'm not going to show you because you'll probably call the cops on me.
I won't. Please don't get close to me.
No, I'm not. I wouldn't do that to somebody.
Yeah.
But he, you know, he just got my personal space, so I started backing up, and then he says, "Oh, look, you're getting upset." You know, kind of like punch somebody in the nose and then get upset at him for bleeding.
Yeah. Where you guys from?
New York, originally.
Yeah, there was like 4 years ago, there was some like an article that we're actually taking legal stuff with going forward. There was like some defamation.
Okay.
And so anytime that someone comes in with press, we get just like,
What do you mean, guys? Somebody was filming the spot, or?
No one was filming the spot. There was an article written that like literally was defamation against.
Like a hit piece, kind of
Yeah.
somebody, really?
And it had like a pretty big impact on our business, and like we've been able to like grow back as a business. But anytime we see like cameras or people,
Well, I want to help you grow
interviewing,
back.
We just want to like come check it out.
No,
I mean,
we want to help you grow back.
Our roastery is across the street. We make everything in house. Like I love our business.
Do you guys have Insta or any kind of
Yeah,
social
we
media?
do.
A couple of people see the video.
It's
if you want to share,
Firecreek,
right?
Flagstaff.
Firecreek, Flagstaff.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah, no, he's running around. I'm not even dealing with that. I'm letting my boss deal with that.
Yeah, I'm not
But,
worried about him either.
No, I'm not worried about
Right
you guys
on.
at all. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
Thank you for
Let
trying
me
your
give you a
business
business
and for
card.
what
That
you're
way you
doing.
can
Yeah, let
find
me
us.
grab it.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate
Thanks.
it.
Yeah,
Have a good day. Don't tell him. You know what I just realized? While I'm standing out there in the sun, do you guys do ice lattes?
Yeah.
Cool. Can I do whole milk, like 16 ounce or whatever you have?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do you want any sweetener?
No, just milk and coffee, please.
Just set this up.
How you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good. I literally just realized I'm standing in front of the coffee place, and I was like,
Anything else for you?
job well done. Do you want anything?
No, I'm okay.
Oh, I need to talk to Andy. You're all
Good. Right on. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Where do they film?
They're from New York, and they like to film small town.
Nice.
From New York. From New York. You're so unfriendly. You're so unfriendly, dude. People from New York. You're not a real New Yorker.
I guess he got me there.
They're actually really nice.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I just don't want to continue the madness. You know? I don't want to be any part of it.
Chose peace.
Yeah, exactly. Every time I'm too old.
Yeah, me too, and I'm not even.
No, yeah. I was going to say, what are you, 25?
Yeah.
There you go. Enjoy that. Well, thank you so much. I really
Thank you.
appreciate it. Have a great day.
Have a good one.
It's my store.
Oh, this is your store? Cool.
Yeah.
Right on. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Are you guys doing a cool film?
No, we're actually,
darn it.
unfortunately for New Jersey, insurance agency.
Oh, you're doing the walkthrough. Gotcha.
I'm kidding. We're just making a video about the town.
Oh. No, I do have an insurance.
Seriously?
walkthrough. Honest to God, with my landlord.
I could have gone with
Yeah,
that.
I know. You could have, and I
Right
would have
on.
been like, yeah.
Right on, cool. Well,
Yeah.
we're just doing a video about the town.
Okay.
So we're going to like this, stopping at the businesses,
Ah.
hoping to run into the owners,
Oh, nice.
have those
Yeah.
conversations, find out what's going on in town, and
All right.
give you a chance to promote your business if you want to.
Cool. What is it? What's your
Yeah, I'll give you one of my cards.
Okay.
I can reach it out of my pocket, hold the coffee and my camera at the same time.
If
I gotta
can
join
hold
the
my
NFL,
bike
right?
and do all the things. I'm also vice mayor of Flagstaff. So.
Vice Mayor,
Wow.
very
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Miranda.
Miranda.
Sweet.
I'm Jason.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Very cool.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to interrupt you.
No, you're not. We're looking for you.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we're just looking for fun, interesting conversations, information about the town. Like I said, if you want to promote your business a little bit, whatever you got.
Cool.
Okay? It's your 15 minutes to shine, right?
Oh my God. Not 15 minutes for God's
15
sakes.
seconds. You can
Seconds.
take as long as you need.
But honest to goodness, my landlord, I kid you not, there was a walkthrough with the insurance people
That's too
today.
much. That's
and
fine.
he said they're going to be walking around doing that.
That's too much.
So when you said that, I was like, oh, that must be them.
I
So,
have to go like to the pick three or something.
yeah,
Or-
yeah, there you should go do that.
Well, if I win, I'll split it with you.
Please.
All right. I thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Enjoy Flagstaff.
All righty.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful day.
All right.
Thank you. No, stop. No. Before you all go, man, we finally finished. How's the food?
Great.
Right on.
Nice.
Very good.
I recommend it.
Cool.
You guys live here in Flagstaff?
And they give you plenty.
Nice.
Give you plenty.
You travel?
Yes.
Yep, we're from San Antonio, Texas.
Oh, nice. We're headed down.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You'll love it.
Yeah, we've been there a couple of times, but I'm looking forward to being there again.
All right.
It's a good place, man. When you get home from your trip and you're bored, you can watch some videos.
Awesome.
Right on, man.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
Have a
you.
good night.
Have a good one.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I said, did you want to see us coming out a little poorer?
A little poorer? Yeah, sure. For the benefit of the store, why not?
Absolutely.
Right, there you go. Right on. Good for you. Good for you. You got to do these things sometimes, right?
That's right.
Yeah. What'd you get?
She got
What did you forget me already?
and a ring. Oh, you weren't there for me. Look, look.
I've been out here waiting for you.
So look, she got this. That's for sure. She got this.
Very cool. Nice.
And then she got 3 beautiful blue necklaces that are like different stones. They're gorgeous.
To give away as gifts or for yourself?
It's my birthday. She should have given it to me.
There you go. Right.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You can buy her a glass of wine.
I know, it's true.
There you
Well,
go.
they're already doing a lot of that, so
Right
I'm
on.
okay.
Well, keep having fun and happy birthday.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Hello.
You just can't live with us.
I can't. I can't.
Like a
So what's
bad
really
pity.
going on?
We're making a video about Flagstaff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So all the different shops and all
Pretty
the
much, yeah.
different
We just go
things. That's awesome.
store to store.
That's awesome. This is my first time here, and I'm excited.
Nice.
I know. I'm excited to be here. It's really cool looking. I love it. Okay, you go to your car. Where did she go? She took off running when she saw
Oh, she
the
looks
camera.
good, right?
That's great.
Yeah.
Love that.
Did I give you a card?
Oh, you did.
I'll give you a card if you want. Shoot me an email. Okay. I'll send you a copy.
Oh, thank you.
Happy
You're
to.
adorable. So where did she go? She sees the camera and she takes off like a bat on a hill.
Most
There
do.
she is over there.
Most people do.
Yeah, she's like that.
You'll have nothing to hide.
We don't care. We just don't care. I just like to play with.
Just keep having fun. Yeah, that's all. As long as you're smiling and having fun, I'm right there with
Exactly.
you.
What else we gotta do?
Nothing. That's it. That's all that counts anymore.
Seriously.
Nothing left to do.
It's
but
her
smile,
birthday and
smile,
we're
smile.
celebrating her birthday.
Yeah.
That's
have a
why I'm
lot
running
of
around
fun.
doing all kinds of fun stuff and just
Celebrating 29 again, huh?
absolutely.
Right on. Thank you.
Wait, what are you doing?
Taking pictures.
I see that.
Yeah.
Don't you need my permission?
Can I have it?
You're in a public place.
What's that?
I don't like to have. I don't like my picture taken.
Well, you
Just
just
leave it at
explained to
that.
those folks that I'm out in public taking pictures. I don't like your picture taken. All right. Hopefully you get over that. Have a good day.
I never.
I hope you do. I can hope, right?
That and I will be right back.
Thank you.
You're just like,
Woke you up.
what are you guys doing that for?
Just out taking video of the town and taking the pictures are something I like to do. The videos work. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Right on. Yes, sir.
How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Nice to finally meet you.
Right on. What's your name?
Juan.
Juan. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Right
man.
on.
Hey, how's it going?
You live here in Flagstaff?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, I just been watching you guys. You know, I watch everybody. Yeah, I seen you, and I was like, I want to go home and shower, but then I'm gonna miss you, and then
Yeah. No, life hasn't happened, man.
I just got off of work, so I was like, let me go take a picture with these
Right on.
guys.
Let me guess. Paint or spackle?
Everything.
Right on. Everything.
Everything.
That's awesome. Right
Yeah.
on.
Last time I think I seen you guys was down in Glendale or somewhere down there, no?
Yeah, we were.
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Yeah, Glendale. Yeah, that's the last video I seen. Yeah. When's it gonna come out? I want to check it out.
Probably a few days.
Few days.
What's I don't even know what day it is. Friday?
Friday.
Yeah.
Probably like Monday or Tuesday.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Man, I got a card.
Yeah, man. No, I appreciate you. That's awesome.
Sounds good, man. Well,
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks,
for
man.
showing up.
keep it up, man.
Right on, man.
Appreciate
Have a great day.
Yeah,
Have a great night.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night.
What do you recommend that like movie like?